back to my channel. It's again Amy Sasha as usual. Yeah, so if this is the first time you're seeing this beautiful face on your screen or coming across my channel, thank you very much. I really appreciate you guys are the best. Yeah, so today's video is unboxing. Like I said in my last video, I ordered a new set of parts and they ordered it yesterday and I decided to open it with you guys. Like, I know you'll be like, when did this girl just do unboxing of pots? Now she's unboxing another set of pots. Man, that one I got, though the pot was kind of nice, but all of a sudden, they just start peeling off. Let me show you guys. I don't know if you can see inside. Look at just start peeling off. Like, I've not been able to cook because I don't want to eat. Well, I don't know, like they're just peeling off, so I had to order new sets. So these two now, they are gone. I'm just going to throw them away. The big frying pan, it's not that bad, but a little. So I'm going to keep this. Then I will throw these two away. Remember, it was a set of 3. Yeah, so the one I got is how many? They just wrote 9 pieces. So I guess the 9 pieces will be with the cover and everything. So this is what the package look like. I don't know how to set my phone that you guys see it fully. So this is what the packaging looks like. So I just hope this time around this one is going to last, because this one is way expensive. If this one do the same thing like this one, I will just start using normal iron pots. Cannot come and keep myself. But anyways, I don't even know how to cut this. Let me try and bring the camera, my phone down a little so that you guys can see. Yeah, this is it. I don't know. Let me try cutting like this. What is this? Just how many times will you wrap it? I hate all this kind of packaging that is stressful to open. So let our cooking begin, since we now have new pots. Like, for a while I just eat noodles with my big fry pan that I use in cooking, because there are small ones with those things there. I'm not comfortable cooking in it, you know. I'm not comfortable. But anyways, let's pray this one is gonna last, because I had to go for an expensive one hoping it will last. The other one I got it for, I think 6 something plus shipping fee, everything 700 and something. So oh, I'm sorry. This is my weak point whenever I see bubble wrap. What's going on here? Okay. Man, I hate. I think they just wrap one time with the back the way the other people wrapped theirs. What's all this? They are not making me go extra and be losing. So what if I want to return it? I can't, because I've spoiled the wrap. But anyways, let's be positive that I will not have to apply for return. Yep. So from the picture, looking nice. I just hope inside also will be nice. 9 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The 9 is with the cover. Oh shit. They said it's fragile, so I'm handling it with care. Yeah. So this is the picture of it. So let's open it. Okay. I think these are the handles for the port covers. Then the first one is this small fry pan. Inside is nice. I just pray it lasts. So that's my main problem. It should last. It's not by looking fine. Then what next? What next? Okay. I think this is the color for the small pan I just brought out now. Wow. So this is why expecting me to start fixing cover handles. Then there's this port. You can see that I love the handle. It's looking nice. My prayer is God, let this thing last. I don't want something that inside will not start peeling again. Let it just last. So that's 3. 1 small pan, 1 port, and 1 cover. Then, hey, this is the pack fry pan. Okay, another one. This is nice, like it's nice. My prayer is it should remain like this, like don't want stories. Then it covers. Then what's inside? Okay, another cover. Then I think this one is bigger than the other one. Yeah, this one is bigger. Okay, it's right. This one is bigger. We getting bigger every day. Bigger every day. We getting bigger every day. Bigger every day, no limitation. And the last one too, it's a fry pan. A bigger one. So this is like two fry pans, 2 port, and 1 small port. 1 small port. Yeah, so that's all. Yeah, so that's everything. Like, so the 9 pieces is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the cover 6, 7, 8, 9. So this one, there's no cover for this one. Just 1, 2, 3, 4. It has covers. Yeah, so if you watch to this point and you're yet to subscribe, please do it. Subscribe, like, share, turn on notifications so that whenever I post a new video, you'll be notified. And share with friends. Tell a friend to tell another friend to tell a friend. And if you have video suggestions, drop it down in the comment section. If there's anything you want me to talk about, if there's anything you want me to show you, and please, I need video ideas. Like, I'm literally out of ideas at the moment. So that's all for now. Like, I need to fix the pots, the cover handles, wash them, and launch one with noodles right now. So, like I said before, I just hope this one is going to last. I don't want situation where I'll be buying pots every 3 months, because these other ones that I'm about to dispose now, I got it January and this is April. And it's not like I cook every day. I'm not the type that cooks every day because I don't have fridge at the moment. So, and I don't like warming of food every time. It changes the taste and all that. So I cook like once in a while, or when I know, oh, someone is coming over. So I don't even know why the pots just turned out like that. Sometimes even boiling water, you just be hearing pop, pop. It's the body that is peeling out. So I'm sweating. So yeah, that's it. I just hope this one lasts. Like, I really hope it lasts. Bye. See you guys in my next one. Hopefully, like, it's not be too long. And yeah, I just hope it's not be too long, because today I had to pause work that I'm going to do this video, whether the devil likes it or not, so that I will see the positive is good. Let's not stay too long that I cannot return. So I had to just squeeze in time to make this video. I had to put work aside at the moment. Whatever that's gonna happen will happen. Yeah, so please make sure you watch this video, share with friends, drop comments. Is the pot nice? Which of them do you like? Yep, that's it. So see you guys in my next one. Bye. Love you.